How much money is your business actually losing every month to subscriptions you forgot you even signed up for? Running a business means tools, software, and services are constantly hitting your credit card. For a long time, I just accepted that my software spend was a black hole until I started using Rocket Money to treat my business expenses like a pro. While it's marketed as a personal app, there are a few specific features that make it a game changer for entrepreneurs. First, the subscription management dashboard is where I spend most of my time. It doesn't just show you a list, it shows you the frequency. When I saw 3 different $15 per month design tools and a project management suite I hadn't touched in 6 months, it was a wake-up call. For a business owner, these aren't just forgotten bills, they're drains on your net margin. Second, the custom categories feature in the premium tier is essential. I don't just use the default bills tag. I created specific categories for tax-deductible software and marketing spend. This makes my life 1,000 times easier when tax season rolls around because I can export a clean CSV of exactly what I spent on my business versus my personal life. Another feature I rely on is balance alerts. When you're managing payroll or waiting on a client to pay an invoice, cash flow can get tight. I have Rocket Money set to alert me the second my business checking falls below a certain threshold. It's that extra layer of security that prevents an accidental overdraft fee from a surprise recurring charge. Finally, the net worth tracker. As a business owner, your business is likely your biggest asset, but it's easy to feel broke even when the company is growing. By linking my business accounts, personal savings, and even my estimated business valuation, I get a macro view of my actual wealth. It helps me make better decisions about when to reinvest in the company and when to pay myself more. If you're tired of the death by 1,000 cuts from monthly SaaS fees, these features are the best way to get your head back above water. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.